Is your Mac system data taking up too much storage? Let me show you how to clean it safely. Start by clicking the Apple logo and opening System Settings. Go to General, then Storage. Here you'll see Apple's cleanup recommendations, like emptying the trash, deleting large files, removing old iOS backups, and optimizing iCloud. Using these options instantly reduces system data. Next, clear Safari's website data. Open Safari. Go to Safari in the top menu. Choose Settings, then Privacy. Tap Manage Website Data and remove all. You can also clear cached files. Open Finder. Press Command plus Shift plus G. Type eHOS Library Author Caches and delete the folders inside. Once you're done, restart your Mac. System data usually drops right after a reboot. If this helped, subscribe for more clean Mac tips from Mr. TechFox.